Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Thank you for being here. And today I'm kind of doing a different video. I think I'm going to do a what is in my purse video. But first of all, I wanted to share, I guess the spending freeze is over because I have 4 new purses here and I thought I'd share those, and then I want to change my now purse into my new purse, so I'm going to do that. So first of all, I'm going to show the purses, and then I'll go through what's in my purse as I put it into another purse. Thing I have here, this is kind of Happy Mother's Day to me, but I had got a couple of Kate Spade purses. This one's just a clear bag, and it has a place back here for cards or whatever. It also has a place inside for that. And it's just a crossbody, and what it's great for is when you go to events now, they have you take a clear bag. They require a clear bag, so you could put your phone in here, you could put lip. See, there's the bottom, so there is room in here for a phone, your lip. You've got place inside, you could put cards. Anyway, so it's just kind of, I think the strap is really cute. See if I can attach it. I think it's just a really cute bag. This bag was, I think it was like it was on sale. I think I got it like for $39 or something. So whenever Kate Spade has a really good sale, I usually go on and see if there's anything that I want. And this, here we go. So there's the crossbody, there's that. So this is fun. So I really like that. And it'll be great for concerts and stuff. My daughter has a real cute one too, but I usually put a couple things in hers, and because I haven't had one. So now I have 2 or 3. I think I showed one I got from Temu recently, and I have that one. And then the purse I'm using now is totally see-through. So this is kind of fun. I'll show you in a minute. The other one I got from Kate Spade is just this. It's also can be a crossbody, but it's a little bit bigger purse. I kind of like to carry the little bit bigger purses sometimes. Maybe especially when I travel. Anyway, this has got good compartments in here. I've used this purse in different colors. I think I have another one in a hot pink. This one is called Marshmallow. They had one that was called Powdered Sugar that was like a really light pink. And I almost kind of wished I would have gotten that one. It's a little bit more me, but then again, I don't really have one like this color. So I have a lot of pink purses, but anyway, so this is the one I'm going to change into. But I want to show you, I picked up a couple at Ross. Ross, I just can't resist Ross. So this one is just a straw purse, straw bag, and I just think it's so cute. And I did a little video, I might put some clips on here, but anyway, showing this purse. But I just think this is really cute, especially for summer. Just a cute tote. So I'm starting to, I've never been a brown girl, but I really like the, what is this called? Anyway, I went blank, but I like this type of purse, and I'm starting to get into the brown straps and stuff, so that's cool. And then the last one I bought is just one that's just me, that I've kind of been looking for forever, but got other ones instead. But this is just a pink with the bow. It's a crossbody, and it's the perfect size. It's just, there's the bottom, but so it's got room to put a lot in it, but it's just, I don't know, I might even change into this one. Anyway, it's just fun. It's got 3 openings. It's got the front and the back here, and then it's got a middle opening. These still all have the paper and stuff in them. So anyway, there's my, what was that, 4 purses. And then I just recently, in a video from Ross or from TJ Maxx, I don't know, for my birthday, I think, my birthday one, I got this bag right here. It has just cute little pink like canvas or leather or whatever straps and top here. And then it came with this purse inside of it. Now this is a crossbody and it's just right for your phone and maybe money or whatever. So the idea is to put, and I did for a while have this inside here, and then I decided to put more in here, so I took it out. But it's supposed to mean so you could carry it both if you want, and then if you want to just leave your purse and take this out with you if you're shopping or something, you can do that. So I actually kind of like this purse. I kind of like it just like this. It's just, I know everything, you can see everything, but I like that. Like when I open it, I pick my keys out right away and everything. So it's just kind of fun. So let's fill this purse up, and I'll show you what I have in my purse. I was not prepared for this video, so I didn't just go get things and make it up to make it pretty. This is just what I normally carry in my purse. So, and I'm getting the purse thing down. So anyway, I'm first gonna pull out, I have a pen and a notebook. So sometimes I like to make notes or something on here, or have a note and tear it out for a friend or something that I'm leaving. So these pens I get at Amazon. I love these pens, these little diamond pens. They're just so cute, and they work really well. I use them all the time. I do want to show you, they come in all colors. They have a really cute gold line, a gold and white. This is one of them. And then they have a black and white line too. This is one of them. And then here's just the green and pink. But anyway, they're just really fun pens. And I buy them in bulk, and I give them as gifts sometimes. I'll throw it in with a little gift or something. Have one in my purse. Okay, here we go. So I'm putting the notebook in, and I'll put that I'll put that on the side. I think I'm gonna put that on the side with, I got another tag on here thing. I'll put that on the side with a pen. So that's on one side. And then I've got a wallet, money and cards, more cards. So that's gonna go in the middle. And then I have, this is what I use, my driver's license and credit cards. So I keep them in this little thing. So that's gonna go in there. I have, this is full of lip products. So I have, right now, what do I have in here? I have all kinds. I've got, gosh, I got everything in here. Okay, so from Dibs, I have a lip liner and a lip gloss. I have this this gloss from Fenty Beauty. I love it. It's kind of a lip plumper. This is just Polite Society. This is just a lip balm, and I really like that too. And then, of course, my all-time favorite, my NYX. I also have, Charlotte Tilbury. So, anyway, I keep a lot of lip products just because I don't know when I'm on the go, because I'm in the mood for different ones at different times. So, there's that. So, also in here, okay, I have, this is just a lip, like a lip balm. And then looks like I have a perfume sample, which I probably have another one in here. I have 2 more perfumes, well, kind of 3 if you. So I have a Juliet Has a Gun, I have Fenty Beauty, and then this one I'm not sure what it is. Can't even see it, doesn't say anything anymore. Anyway, I'm sure it's good if I put it in my purse. And okay, so these, I mean, I could start another bag because I don't like to keep them with my lip products. So this is a bag that will go in. I'll probably put this, maybe I'll put this in the middle. Probably don't need it because I've got pockets in here that I can put. But anyway, so these, if there was a pocket in here or something I could put I'm gonna put these probably in the front pocket, my smells. I don't think I'm gonna get as much in this purse as I wanted to, so I may end up going back to the other one. But I have glasses in here. These are my readers, so you know I use my glasses, so I have to have those. I'll stick those up in the front pocket. I have this Touchland spray, so there's that. Put that back here in this pocket. I have a let's see what I have in here. This is the Sol de Janeiro, whatever. This is the 68 Charosa. I love this too, so I just keep it in there. Want a little bit of a mist. So that'll go in my bag. I also have a hand cream. This is just, I have so many hand creams, but anyway, I have a hand cream in here. And I have a hair product from Amika, and this is just a shine, I think. It's shampoo. Oh, it's a shampoo. It's dry shampoo. So anyway, I have that in here. And sometimes I just like it anytime, even if my hair is not dirty or whatever, just because it does just that. It perks up your hair. So I like it. So anyway, there goes that. And I use this on my hair. I comb it, I fluff it, I do whatever. And then I also have a ponytail holder thing on that. So that's gonna go in. And then I have a pair of sunglasses. These are my Kate Spade right here. And they're just my Kate Spade aviator sunglasses. So there we go. Still got more in here. So the next thing I have is, this is like a magnifying mirror. And I think that the battery might be out right now. It's supposed to light up automatically. So I think it just works by battery, I think. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to check that. But anyway, it's also just a mirror. So there's a magnify side and a regular side. I really like it. You don't really need the light, but anyway, the light is kind of nice. And glasses, I have a couple little things. I have a little pill container. I have used this probably for like 20 years. I'm not even kidding. And it's back when Zebra was really big. But anyway, I keep my my ibuprofen or whatever in this. So this is, it's just kind of funny that I still have it. It's just a little tiny pill case. So I'll put that in, and then I carry this around with me. I know it's weird, but when you shop and stuff and you're buying stuff for the house, it's nice to have. This is just a little tiny, what is it? Measuring tape. So you can measure, like, I've measured mirrors, pictures, different things. And I really like it. I've actually got a bunch of these, I think from Temu, and I gave them as little, I made little boxes for my friends, and I think I put one of these in there too, because it's just kind of nice to have. It's so easy to throw in your purse. It's not very big. So anyway, I also have two more things in here. I have my keys, which I'm going to put in front, and I have my this is my Bluetooth speaker. So I usually keep these in my purse. So if I'm out like the doctor or something, I want to listen to something on my phone, I can do that. And this purse is a little bit too small for all these things. So I don't know. I think I need to, when I'm ready to do a lighter load. Now I also have, I just want to show you, I have these other bags that I trade off and put different things in these bags. Sometimes it's lip products, perfume. This one right here carries a full face of makeup right here. So I like to put this, sometimes I take a big tote when I go on vacation, and I'll put stuff like this in it and just kind of keep it in the car. And if I'm out somewhere or whatever, need it, I have it here. So these are just fun little bags. I might show a picture. I have a drawer that I can go to and I can pick out different sunglasses or different products to put in my purse. So I have that. So here it is. Here's the, it's full. So I'm kind of bummed about that. And look at this, like matches. Look at this purse. I mean, it's like the same color. So anyway, there's this one from the front, and then it has this that goes in it, which is kind of fun. You can put everything around that, but anyway, so that's the purse. That's this purse. And then anyway, this is this purse, crossbody. I like it, so ready to take it out and do something fun. Anyway, so that's it. That's my little purse haul, and that's what's in my purse. What do you guys keep in your purse? And is there anything in my purse that you really like, that you are like, wait a minute, I want to put that in my purse? I have different things at different times, so this is just happens to be what I have right now. Maybe I'll do another one down the road sometime, but anyway, that's it. I appreciate your support so much. Thank you, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.